Hello! In front of me I have Huawei Watch 4 active, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the location services on this watch. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. And once you open the menu, scroll through it and find the settings icon, then tap on the settings icon to enter the settings. Now scroll through the menu and find the security and privacy option and tap on it. And here we have the location services. And to enable the location services, tap on the switch next to access my location. And if you want to disable them, of course, you can tap on the switch to turn it off. So enable or disable the option, and then you can press the crown button right here to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the location services on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.